So to begin, we are going to make a magic circle with our light pink yarn, then going to chain 1, and this doesn't count as a stitch. Then I'm going to make into this magic circle a single crochet, then half double crochet and 2 double crochets into the circle. So 1 double crochet and 2 double crochet. Then now pull up your loop. Then now we're going to attach the next yarn color into the magic ring right here. Then we're going to chain 1. This doesn't count as a stitch. Then go ahead and make 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet and 2 double crochets. Then I'm going to pull my yarn tail to close the circle, just like this. Okay, so still using the dark pink yarn or the yarn B, I am going to start working row 2. So I'm going to place 2 double crochets into the next 3 stitches. Insert your hook into the first stitch, make a double crochet, yarn over, make another double crochet into that same stitch, then into the next 2 stitches continue making 2 double crochets. Okay, so we have now made 2 double crochets into the first 3 stitches, then pull up a loop, then pick up our light pink yarn and yarn over. We are going to make 2 double crochets into the next 3 stitches using our light pink yarn. Now for row 3, we are going to continue using the light pink yarn, yarn over and make 2 double crochets into the next 2 stitches. Then 1 extended double crochet in the next stitch. So yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, pull through 2 and pull through 2. That's an extended double crochet. Then now we're going to make 1 treble crochet into that same stitch. So insert your hook, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Then into the next stitch we're going to make 3 treble crochets. So this stitch, insert your hook, pull up a loop, pull through 2, 2, 2. Then we are going to make 1 treble crochet and 1 extended double crochet into the last stitch. So wrap twice, insert your hook, make 1 treble crochet, so 1 treble crochet, then 1 extended double crochet. So pull through 1, 2 and 1, just like this. Then pick up your dark pink yarn, and now we're going to do 2 double crochet into the next 2 stitches. Then now I'm going to make 1 double crochet, 1 extended double crochet. So yarn over once, set your hook, pull up a loop, pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 2. Then we're going to make 2 double crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. So insert your hook, make 2 double crochets in the next 3 stitches. Then I'm going to make 1 extended double crochet and 1 double crochet into the same stitch. Then 1 double crochet in the next stitch, 1 half double crochet in the next stitch, 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches. So 1, 2, then slip stitch into the next stitch. I'm going to cut my yarn and pull it. So this is what it's looking like. So now inserting my hook into the light pink yarn, I'm going to make 2 double crochets into the next stitch. then 1 double crochet into the next stitch, and into that same stitch an extended double crochet. So pull through 1, pull through 2, and pull through 2. Then 2 treble crochet into the next stitch. So pull through 2, 2, and 2. And after the 2 treble crochet to the next stitch, we're going to do 3 treble crochets into that same stitch. So, and after that, we're going to make 1 extended double crochet and 1 double crochet in the same stitch. So our extended double crochet, our double crochet, then a slip stitch. I'm going to cut my yarn, pull it. Okay, my work should be looking like this. Okay, so now to begin with our third yarn, we're going to attach it after count in the third stitch from our slip stitch. So this is where we made our slip stitch. So count 1, 2, and into the third stitch right here, we're going to attach our third yarn, chain 1, then place single crochet into that stitch. Then I'm going to chain 1, skip this next stitch, and into the third stitch place another single crochet. Then we make 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, then into the next space we make 2 treble crochets. So yarn over twice into the next stitch. We're going to do 2 treble crochet. Then we're going to chain 2 into the next stitch beside. We're going to place 2 treble crochets again. Then we're going to make 1 extended double crochet into the next stitch. Then 1 double crochet into the next 5 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and finally 5. Then we're going to make the 2 treble crochet into this next stitch. So 1, 2, 3, yarn over twice to that same stitch, place another treble crochet stitch, then chain 2 into the next stitch, place another 2 treble crochet. Then we're going to make 1 double crochet into the next 3 stitches. So 1, 2, and 3. Then 1 extended double crochet into the same stitch where we made our slip stitch. So make an extended double crochet here. Okay, as you can see, our square is forming. We have done 2 corners. Then now we're going to make 1 double crochet into the next 3 stitches. So 1. Then we're going to make 2 treble crochet stitch here. Then chain 2, and into the next stitch another set of 2 treble crochet stitch. Then now 1 double crochet into the next 5 stitches. Then 1 extended double crochet in the next stitch. Then our 2 treble crochet into the next stitch. Chain 2. 2 treble crochet into the next stitch, then 1 double crochet in this stitch where we made our slip stitch, then 1 half double crochet into the last stitch right here. Then we're going to slip stitch into our first stitch right here, then chain 2. This is not considered as a stitch. Then we're going to make 1 double crochet into that stitch there, 1 double crochet into the chain 1 space, 1 double crochet into the next 5 stitches. Now we're going to make 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, chain 2 into the space here, into the chain 2 space. Then we're going to do 1 double crochet all around till we get to the space, the next corner. Then we'll place 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, double crochets, 1 double crochet all around till another corner, and we'll repeat the same pattern all around till we get to the beginning of our work, and I'll meet you guys back again. So now I have gotten to the end of the row, and I'm just going to make a slip stitch into the first double crochet here, chain 1, then cut off my yarn. And that's the end of today's tutorial, guys. This is what your square should be looking like. You can block it to make it more flat, but this is the final look. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next tutorial video.